In this video, I'm going to show you the process for changing the ink for your Epson XP446. The exact model may be different from what is seen in the video, but the process is the same. First, you reach inside here, pull up, and it'll help you open it up so you don't have to pull too hard. These are the cartridges. There are none in here right now because this is the first time this printer has had ink. To open the ink, there it is, perforated spot. Just peel like that. And then you have your cartridge. Go ahead and pull this tab here, and it comes open. You don't ever want to touch this here. If you do get it a little dirty, it's not a big deal. You just take a Q-tip with some rubbing alcohol and clean that off. We'll go ahead and install the yellow. For these, we'll call this the front. You tip it down, push it, and then push the back in, like so. And push down till you hear it click. And don't be alarmed if you see a little bit of ink. It's under pressure, and with shipping and everything it's been through to get to you, sometimes that pressure builds. Now this one's a bit bigger, but same process. And I wasn't thinking and I touched it, but it's not a big deal. It'll rub right off. All right, now we have the ink in there. We can close it up and get back to printing. Looks good to me. All right, that about wraps this video up. This is Lars. If you have any questions about anything you saw in this video, please comment below if there's a comment box, or else you can email us, customerservice@yoyoink.com. Till next time.